I'm Jana Nagel. I'm the Technical Director here at ChemMasters, and today I'd like to talk with you about two really cool products that we offer. The first one being Graffiti Stopper, and the second one is Graffiti Eraser. Graffiti Stopper is a high gloss product, but it's also available in a satin matte finish if that suits what you're looking for. It reduces the adhesion of most paints and inks to the surface. The beading of the paint or ink will deter graffiti artists from continuing to spray, as well as coming back to this in the future. Easy to mix and apply with a brush or a roller onto a majority of surfaces, such as exterior concrete, masonry, metal, or galvanized metal. It's also used to protect schools, bridges, traffic signs, rail cars, bathroom stalls. The options are literally endless. So we have this sample of concrete that's already been coated with Graffiti Stopper. We're going to take this outside for safety and do a little spray paint action. For today's demonstration, we are using a standard spray paint that any common graffiti artist would use. You can see how the paint beads up when it comes in contact with Graffiti Stopper. Now that the paint has dried, let's get the Graffiti Eraser to remove the paint. The thicker texture of the Graffiti Eraser is so it can be applied to vertical surfaces. Apply liberally, let sit for 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Now that it's set for 30 seconds, you can start removing the paint. Now let's take a look at two real-life examples of Graffiti Stopper and Graffiti Eraser on two different surfaces. Graffiti Stopper is sold as a kit and is easy to mix. Prior to use of any product, be sure to consult the safety and product data sheets for proper and safe usage. You can find this info at chemmasters.net. Then, check the product labels to make sure you have the products intended for use. To start, premix Part A for 2 minutes. Once premixed, pour Part B into Part A. The ratio is 1 volume of Part B to 2 volumes of Part A. Mix parts A and B together for 2 minutes. Once mixed, we can start to apply. Be sure to start with a clean, dry surface. When applying, be sure to coat the surface evenly. Now you can sit back and let it dry. Graffiti Stopper will dry to the touch in 30 minutes, and it takes 7 days to fully cure for optimum protection. Next, let's look at an indoor environment in need of graffiti protection. The process of mixing is the same on this smaller scale. Premix Part A for 2 minutes and pour Part B into Part A and mix them together for 2 minutes. Apply with even strokes on a clean surface. Let's see how Graffiti Stopper holds up to some vandals trying to ruin our newly protected surfaces. The sprayer will start their vandalism and step back to see the paint not adhering to the surface. This will deter them from finishing and returning to the site in the future. I don't think he'll be returning anytime soon. The paint will bead up and drip, an undesirable effect for a graffiti artist. Now let's see Graffiti Eraser work its magic. On smooth surfaces, such as the bathroom door stall shown, you can apply liberally with a brush and simply wipe off the spray paint with a cloth or rag. For substrates that are textured, the process has a few more simple steps. Apply the graffiti eraser liberally. We are using a brush in this example, but for larger, more textured surfaces, spray application is recommended to penetrate the pores of the surface. You can wipe some of the paint away easily with a cloth and then use a stiff brush to scrub at the rest of the surface. Let graffiti eraser sit for 30 seconds to 2 minutes, but do not let it dry before rinsing with high pressure water to finish cleaning the surface. The before and after speak for themselves. Thanks for joining me. Keep an eye out for new trainings and be sure to check out our current video library on our website at chemmasters.net.